Hello, beautiful people! SUVs are among the safest, most comfortable, opulent, and quick vehicles available. They are one of the greatest choices because of their excellent characteristics like as off-road driving skills and improved handling even on icy, slippery roads. However, all of these features are not cheap, and these SUVs are also more expensive. In this channel, I upload very amazing videos, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel. So, in this video, we will discuss about top 5 most expensive luxury SUVs. Are you curious? Then sit back, relax, and watch the whole video. Let's jump onto the video without wasting any time. Number 5. Mercedes Maybach GLS, $200,000. If you really want a super luxury SUV without the flashy and ultra-exclusive label, then the 2018 Mercedes Maybach GLS is an excellent option. But make no mistake, this huge SUV has all the goodies that make its near $200,000 price tag worthwhile. The Mercedes Maybach GLS is powered by a version of Benz's twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 good for 550 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque. The Mercedes EQ-Boost hybrid starter generator motor, which runs on a 48-volt electrical system, may boost the engine by 21 horsepower and 184 pound-feet for a limited duration. The ride quality has been optimized for Maybach duty thanks to specific suspension algorithms and calibration. Wheels with a diameter of 22 inches are normal, with a diameter of 23 inches available as an alternative. Number 4. Lamborghini Urus, $203,995. The Urus is not Lamborghini's first SUV, but it is without a doubt its greatest. This family-friendly vehicle has 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque thanks to a fire-breathing 4-liter turbocharged V8 beneath the hood. The Urus accelerates to 60 miles an hour in less than 3.6 seconds thanks to those kibbles and bits. The highest speed of this thoroughbred is 190 miles per hour. It went from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds and ran the quarter mile in 11.3 seconds at 120.1 miles per hour. It can stop from 60 miles per hour in just 107 feet because to its massive carbon ceramic brakes and lightweight body. Number 3. Range Rover Svatobiography Dynamic LWB, $210,795. With its Range Rover division, a range of exceptionally capable off-road cars that has further cranked up the upscale with each subsequent generation, Land Rover can claim to have been the first to pioneer the concept of a super luxury SUV. With a slew of upmarket features and a variant of the Range Rover SVR's supercharged 5-liter V8 tuned to 557 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, the Range Rover SV Autobiography is the peak of that evolution. It comes with 24-way heated and cooled hot stone massage chairs, a 29-speaker Meridian sound system, leather finish foldable tables, and a refrigerator in the rear. Number 2. Bentley Bentayga, $242,125. The Bentley Bentayga is one of the current kings of SUVs, with the power and price that you'd expect from this renowned British luxury brand. Bentley was the first ultra-luxury brand to introduce an SUV, and its all-new Bentayga, which it marketed as the world's fastest SUV at the time thanks to its 600 horsepower 6-liter W12 engine, clocked it at 187 miles per hour right out of the gate. It boasts a top speed of 190 miles per hour and accelerates to 60 miles per hour in just under 3.8 seconds, making it the world's fastest SUV. Bentley made headlines by including a $170,000 Breitling-Mulliner Tourbillon clock as an option, as well as being the first Volkswagen Group car to use a 48-volt electrical system to regulate its Bentley dynamic ride system. As you'd expect, the Bentayga was well equipped, and through its Mulliner subsidiary, you can upgrade to the Stratosphere. As we've characterized it, it's a beautiful piece of automotive engineering, a work of vehicular art. Number 1. Rolls-Royce Cullinan, $332,350. The Phantom, Ghost, and Wraith are just a few of Rolls-Royce's most sumptuous and expensive cars. With the growing popularity of SUVs, Rolls-Royce chose to create its first ever SUV, the Cullinan, which is now the most costly car on the list. A high-quality leather interior, lamb's wool floor mats, multi-adjustable seats with heating and massaging capability, and other premium features are included in the Cullinan. This SUV's V12 engine produces 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, and it is capable of off-roading, believe it or not. Just make sure you take off your shoes before you go inside. The library-silent 563 horsepower provides the inspiration here, with a gigantic yet liquid-smooth 6.7-liter V12. That should be enough to produce 60 miles an hour in just 4.8 seconds on a silver platter. Not bad for a vehicle with an ocean liner's aerodynamics and mass. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos. That's it for this video. We hope you like it. The comment section is all yours. Do tell us your suggestions about next videos. Bye!